If you've been scrolling through beauty videos or browsing for body makeup that promises flawless skin, you've probably come across Westmore Beauty's Body Coverage Perfector. It's everywhere lately, with bold claims that it can conceal everything from scars and stretch marks to varicose veins and uneven skin tone. But before you hit that buy button, let's talk about whether this product is actually legit or just another overhyped beauty gimmick. Westmore Beauty claims their Body Coverage Perfector offers full coverage that lasts up to several days, resists water and transfer, blends naturally, and still feels lightweight on the skin. On paper, it sounds like a dream. The brand itself isn't a fly-by-night operation. They've been around since 2013. Their official website is well established, and the product is available on major platforms like Amazon, where it has over 6,000 customer reviews. They also highlight that the formula is vegan, paraben-free, and fragrance-free, which is a big plus for people with sensitive skin or those who care about clean beauty. Clinical testing and award wins in Los Angeles further add to its credibility. So far, so good, right? But when you dig into the real customer feedback, the story gets a little more complicated. On westmorebeauty.com, the product holds a solid 4.3-star rating from over 8,600 reviews. And on Amazon, it sits at 3.9 stars, which suggests that most users are generally satisfied. Some customers rave about its performance, saying it gives their skin a beautiful, natural glow and successfully hides blemishes and discoloration. They also praise its staying power even after a shower. Many said it stayed intact with minimal fading. However, the experience isn't universally glowing. Trustpilot tells a different story, where Westmore Beauty holds a very low 1.6-star rating based on 37 reviews. The most common complaints there focus on customer service. People mention issues like delayed orders, lack of shipping confirmations, difficulty getting refunds, and poor responses from support. This could be a red flag if you're ordering directly from their website. Then there's the matter of the product itself. Not everyone finds it as perfecting as the name suggests. Some users say the formula isn't fully opaque and requires quite a bit of buffing, layering, and drying time to get the best results. Others mention it can cling to dry patches or rub off onto clothes if not applied correctly or fully dried. So is Westmore Beauty's Body Coverage Perfector a scam? No, it's a real product from a real brand with a large following and years in business. But is it perfect for everyone? Also no. It seems to work well for those who are patient with the application process, find the right shade, and don't mind some trial and error. On the other hand, if you're someone who expects quick results, full coverage on the first pass, and fast, reliable customer service, this might not be the holy grail you're hoping for. At the end of the day, it walks the line between impressive and inconsistent. If you're still curious to try it out for yourself, we've tagged the product link in this video. Just make sure to weigh the pros and cons before making your decision.